Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Vechain chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what I had been expecting here on the Vechain chart, where you can see that after seeing the December lows, we had this 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.032 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then I was expecting a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, where I had minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and you can see that we fully maximized that target area. Then at some point we saw this massive sell-off as a result of the Binance and KuCoin lawsuits by the United States Securities Exchange. After those lawsuits, we saw this massive sell-off in the whole crypto market, and Vechain was also not spared, where you can see that on the 10th of June we saw this massive sell-off, giving us a reset of the December lows and also giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01308 mark. And afterwards, after seeing that new bear market low, I've been trying to track a 5-wave move to the upside, because I believe that after seeing a new bear market low, Vechain is going to recover to the upper side, where you can see that I have these as the first wave to the upside. Then we have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and in this wave 2 I also had minimum target areas which I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to that high at around the $0.016 mark, giving me a target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And you can see that we have managed to get into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and there are chances that we could see a reaction of this target area to the upside in the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, then I can give you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.01981 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave to the upside to do. And for it to play out, we also need to see a break above significant highs on the charts, and the first one is a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.01644 mark, because a break above that would be showing that we are getting a little bit impulsive in that wave 3. And afterwards I'll be watching for a break above the next key area of resistance at around the $0.01798 mark, and a break above that we can watch out for a successful retest before we can fully maximize our minimum target areas in that wave 3. Then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And once we see a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, then from that point we can start expecting an ABC corrective structure. And once you see this 5-wave move followed by a 3-wave corrective structure, that will be enough confirmation that this is the new bear market low that we have, and that we have started an impulsive move to the upside in what we could later term as a larger Elliot wave count 1. So that is what I'm tracking here on the Vechain chart. And on the worst case scenario, in case we are not able to continue obeying this Elliot wave structure and we continue seeing further breakdown, then we can expect the worst case scenario where Vechain could give us a reset of the low that we made on the 10th of June, which is the low at around the $0.013 mark, and a break below that low could give us new bear market lows in case further breakdown continues, and that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart. Also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 42 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.